Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on your location. At the moment, today I've brought you another mind blowing of hair tutorial. Okay, another section, another hairstyle, another 3 in 1 or 2 in 1, should I call it, of our hair I'm making today by myself just to make myself beautiful. These are some of the ways, little bit ways that you can save money. Okay, if you know, because if you rely only on your salary, right, it might be okay for you, but sometimes you need to work hard to save a little bit just for a rainy day, So today I brought you another mind blowing of hairstyle. Today, in today's video, I'm going to be making boss braid, boss braid versus crochet, okay, twisted crochet. So I'll be making boss braid on the front side of the hair because, to be honest with you, I have to be really be sincere with myself. The hair extension that I have today is not enough. Okay, I found out that the hair extension that I have is only one pack. So in today's video, I'm going to teach and show us how to manage hair extension in case you run out of it. All right, so this is what I'm going to be doing today. So grab your popcorn, sit back and watch. Do not skip, please. If you're just watching, coming across my video for the first time, my name is Totally Peace One. Please do kind to watch my video, like and share. Give me a nice comment. You are free to share my videos, you are free to comment. So let's go there. Now I have succeeded making the front side, all right, of the hair with a boss braid, because that's the new extension that I have. So I need to do is to use that one for the front, round and to the back before I start the crochet. Okay, in case if you run out of hair extension at home, right, and then you have the crochet, you can use a different crochet, a different design, right? So you just make your own design. It's a bit creative. Add a bit creativity on your hair. Whatever you are doing, it makes it better. You see the way I'm happy. Like I last for just enjoying the hair. Okay, because at the bottom of my mind, the money that I'm going to spend is not going anywhere, it's going to my pocket. So here I'm just happy calculating after that, and and then I can use the money to go shopping or buy anything that I like. All right, that's a huge joy. It's putting a huge smile on my face. So I've succeeded braiding the front side of the hair. Now is the back. The back side of the hair is a bit stressful. Okay, I have to be honest with you. It's a bit stressful because your shoulders, your hand, your fingers are going to be a bit tired, but do not give up, because at the end of the day, you know the benefits, you know what you're going to get there. So carry on. And then when you are tired, you are allowed to rest a bit and then you continue later, because you are just making your hair in the comfort of your house. So anytime you're tired, take a break. And me, when I'm taking my break, is maybe I'm going to cook lunch for children coming back from school. I can take my break then. So if I don't have anything doing, I can just sit back, watch TV, and then do anything that I like, just to stretch my arms and my hands. Okay. So here I'm doing really, really well. Nearly I'm gonna be done at the back side of the hair. Guys, do what you can to save some money in your pocket. These days, inflation is not smiling at all. So it is your responsibilities to make sure you add bit and bit for yourself to be able to manage your salary. So see that joy on my face, dancing to the money going to my pocket, dancing to the profit, dancing to the see that the hair is going to be lovely at the end of the day. Come on, I'm not going to give up. So I continue making the hair. Me telling you guys that left only two left at the back. All right, that two left at the back, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. I have to be honest with you. So I have to carry on. I have to carry on making the hair. You see that? So from the boss spray extension for the front side, that's a little bit left. So when you use the beautiful ones first, round, because the reason is that the front is the one people are going to say first. And by the time you pack the hair up, is the back people are going to see first. So the middle is not much of a problem because nobody is going to sit you down and be looking at the middle of your head. Okay, so that's the style, that's the system. You must make the front side section is very small, and at the middle of the hair, you can make it bigger. So here I have another extension. This one is orange color. All right. So I have to mix it together. Be creative so that you can have enough to use. Me, when I'm making my hair, whenever it's finished, yeah, or I have a leftover, I don't just put it in the bin. I save it just for a rainy day, days like this. So in here, I have this kind of extension. Here, it is an orange color. So it's going to make the hair stand out because it's different colors on the head. It doesn't make any difference. So just be creative and make your own style. It's That's what matters in making hair. Anything you're doing, okay. So after that, I'm going to be sectioning the hair. I have a rubber band. If you're a new beginner, rubber bands like this can help you to start making your hair. The reason why rubber band is good because you have to attach it down, like you know, like you plait it down there. If your hair is very small, and then you use rubber band before you start creating and before you start plaiting boss braid or any hairstyle you want to make, is really good. So it help your hair to stay very, very firmly to your head. Okay. Ask me why. Anytime I make my hair, anytime I retouch my, anytime that I take my braids down, I must cut my hair. Please ask me why. The reason I don't know, but it's just what I like doing. Anytime I remove my hair, my natural hair, I put a scissors and cut it off. Yeah, it's very funny. I don't know why I do that. So maybe because I don't want my hair to be very long because I now make my hair by myself. I don't want to be spending too long time there. Maybe that's why. So put on the comment section if you want me to stop, write stop, write stop on the comment section, or if you want me to carry on, write carry on the comment section, guys. Okay, so here I'm doing really well, getting to the stage that I have to start making the crochet. And before you make crochet, you know you have to make it cornrow on the head. Make your cornrow, and then before you start attaching the hair braids, crochet to your hair. But the most important thing, make sure your cornrow is tight. Not too tight as in it's gonna give you pain on your head. No. Make it tight that by the time you are packing your hair, there will not be any kind of loose one, hair falling off. Okay, so now it is time for me to start making the cornrow before I start the crochet. As you can see, I'm getting ready to start, but it's not an easy thing. But think about the profit. Think about how you're gonna save and then buy some other things. It can help you pay. If you're paying credit cards, it can go a long way. If you're going shopping, it can go a long way. Buy milk, bread, and other things, butter at home, and the other even snacks, or maybe order some pizza or KFC at the end of the day. It can go a long way. I'm telling you guys. Try it and then you're gonna thank me later. But do not skip this video. Keep watching. Keep watching, guys, because this at the end of the day is going to encourage one or two person on how you can do it yourself. Because if I can do it, you can do it better. So we all should encourage one another on how to do things by yourself. Okay, now I can make my hair, I make my daughter's hair. I know how much I'm saving for myself. It's not a joke. On my channel, I bring to you guys what I do and what favors me. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to discourage anybody. I'm not taking advantage of anybody. I'm not advising anyone to do that. But if it's going to benefit you, you like it. Why don't you copy? Why don't you do the same thing and then see the profit? Okay, here I'm still brushing the hair. Make sure you brush it very well to be smooth so that you not be having that tangle stuff of your hair, because when you are making it, by the time you start, you're your you're on your own. If your hair is tangled, then you're gonna take it down again. If you like this video, why don't you like it? Subscribe to my channel, love and like.